Ever watch a cool movie in another language but only get half of it? Or wish you could order food abroad without pointing and hoping? Learning a new language seems hard, right? But what if I told you, even with a busy schedule, you can start unlocking these experiences in just 3 minutes? Forget needing hours. Unlock a new language in just 3 minutes. Think of it as a jetpack. Not a plane, it'll get you soaring. But the epic journey's just begun. Want deeper dives? Of course. But for a quick start, 3 minutes is all it takes. 3 minutes might sound small, but for languages, it's a growth spurt. We'll share 3 simple tricks proven to jumpstart your learning, like planting a language seed and giving it a quick burst of sunshine. Ditch the can't do it and watch your skills sprout in just 3 minutes. Forget feeling overwhelmed. Language learning isn't about cramming hours or becoming fluent overnight. It's about finding your why and taking small, achievable steps. Just like building a sandcastle, a strong foundation starts with motivation. What sparks your language journey? A dream vacation? Connecting with family? Find your fire, then set realistic goals, maybe starting with basic greetings or understanding simple menus. Remember, tiny steps lead to big adventures. So let's fuel your motivation, set smart goals, and build your language castle brick by brick, starting today. What's your language dream? Travel the world with ease? Connect with loved ones? Unlock new cultures? Share your why in the comments below. Let's inspire each other on this language adventure. Language learning? Don't sweat it. Grab 10 cool words like hello or pizza in your dream language. Write them down, say them out loud, and bam! Vocabulary unlocked. Next, dive in. Listen to a podcast. Watch a fun video. Sing a song. Surround yourself with the language. It'll stick like glue. Remember, learning shouldn't be a bore. Play games, find a language buddy online, use funny flashcards. Make it fun and you'll be a language whiz in no time. So, ditch the doubts, grab your curiosity, and start your adventure today. Struggling to remember those foreign words? Flashcards piling up, but vocabulary just not sticking? We've all been there. Learning a new language can feel like climbing a mountain with slippery slopes and forgotten verbs. But what if there was a funicular railway up that mountain, whisking you to the top with ease and enjoyment? Introduce Vortique, your personalized language learning companion. Tired of generic lists and dry drills? With Vortique, you choose what you want to learn. Vortique transforms your interests into engaging games, interactive flashcards, and memory-boosting puzzles, making learning feel like a fun-filled adventure, not a chore. Track your progress with clear insights and motivating reminders, and watch your vocabulary soar to new heights. Download today and start your personalized language learning journey. The funicular to fluency awaits. Learning a language shouldn't feel like a forced march through verb conjugations and endless vocabulary lists. It's about unlocking a world of connections, cultures, and experiences. So, ditch the pressure and embrace the journey. Find ways to make learning fun. Watch funny foreign films. Listen to catchy music. Play language games with friends. When you enjoy the process, you'll be surprised how quickly you progress. Remember, every step, even learning a single new word, brings you closer to your language goals. So relax, have fun, and let your language adventure unfold. Ditch the study grind and turn your everyday life into a language playground. Immerse yourself with fun activities. Jam to catchy music in your target language. Binge-watch hilarious foreign shows. Or challenge yourself with interactive language games. Remember Vortique? It's your personalized learning buddy, transforming words into engaging games and flashcards. And the best part? Its streak system keeps you motivated, making every day a step closer to fluency. So get creative, have fun, and watch your language skills skyrocket like confetti at a fiesta. Learning doesn't have to be a solo adventure. Find a language buddy to practice conversation, share laughs, and motivate each other. Vortique isn't just your personal learning hub, it's a vibrant community too. Connect with fellow language enthusiasts. Share your experiences and find support on your journey. So grab a buddy, join the community, and turn your language learning journey into a fun, shared experience. Remember, forget cramming textbooks and stressing about fluency. It's about finding your why and taking fun, bite-sized steps. So, what sparks your language adventure? Travel dreams? Connecting with family? Find your passion, set realistic goals like learning greetings. And most importantly, make it fun. Ditch the drills and dive into podcasts, hilarious videos, or engaging games with Vortique. Immerse yourself and enjoy the ride. Don't go it alone. Find a language buddy online or join Vortique's awesome community. Share laughs, support each other, and make learning a social adventure. Start small, have fun, and watch your language skills blossom. Your fluency journey begins now. Forget sitting on the sidelines. This video wasn't just about learning. It was about taking action. So here's your challenge. Grab your phone, download Vortique, and build your first personalized word set. It can be anything. Travel essentials, food vocabulary, even funny slang. Then, choose your adventure. Listen to a song, watch a short video, or play a game in your target language. Share your experience in the comments below. Tag a friend who should join the challenge. And let's see who unlocks the most new words in 24 hours. Remember, learning a language is like building a sandcastle. Every grain counts. So grab your shovel, your curiosity, and let's build something amazing together. Don't let the language learning fun stop here. Subscribe for more tips, tricks, and challenges to keep your journey rolling. Plus, check out our other videos packed with language learning content to fuel your fluency fire. Let's conquer those language barriers together.